Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks. This is incredibly useful for keeping accurate records and ensuring both you and your clients can clearly see which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding. First, navigate to the Sales section by clicking on Sales in the left navigation menu, then select Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your invoices, making it easy to locate the one you need to work with. Scroll through the invoice list until you find the unpaid invoice you want to record a payment for. Once you've located it, look to the right side of that invoice row where you'll see a button labeled Receive Payment. Click on this button to begin the payment recording process. A Receive Payment window will now appear on your screen. The first thing you'll want to do is confirm the customer name in the customer dropdown at the top. This ensures you're applying the payment to the correct client's account. Next, you'll need to choose the payment method from the payment method dropdown, whether it's cash, check, credit card, or another option. This helps you keep accurate records of how payments were received. Now, select the bank or account where you want to deposit this payment using the deposit to dropdown. This step is crucial for your accounting records as it determines where the funds will be tracked. In the Amount Received field, enter the payment amount. This can be a partial payment or the full invoice amount depending on what your customer has paid. Take a moment to look at the Outstanding Transactions section below. Here you'll see the invoice listed, and you need to ensure the correct invoice is checked. This checkbox is what actually applies the payment to the specific invoice. If you have a reference number from the customer or want to add a memo for internal notes, you can enter those details in the provided fields. Once everything looks correct, click Save and close to record the payment against the invoice. Now, to verify that the payment is showing correctly, return to Sales, then Invoices, and open the invoice you just recorded a payment for. You should now see the payment details displayed under the Payments section of the invoice, confirming that everything has been properly recorded. If you want to customize how payments appear when you print or email invoices to clients, click on Customize, then Edit Current. In the customization options, you can enable settings to display payments or payment status, giving your invoices a more professional appearance and making it crystal clear to clients what's been paid. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.